Hey guys, so in this video, I'm just going to show you like a really quick guide on how to get the auto clicker for iOS and Android. And I know that if you're on an Android, you probably already know how to do it. So I guess this video is more aimed at iPhone users because if you go to the App Store and you try to get an auto clicker, they all are pretty much like not working. So what you want to do is go to this website. It's called zoomods.com. So they're a really cool site. They have a bunch of modded apps and stuff. So once you're here, guys, just go to search bar, type auto clicker, and there it is. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and press on it and it's gonna start downloading right onto our device. Now before it downloads, there is gonna be one more step, guys, which is the verification. So what this means is that we have to download some apps and complete instructions to install additional files needed for the auto clicker to work on an iPhone. Because if you guys do not know, iPhones are pretty hard to get like modded apps and stuff. So this is the precautionary final step. So let me just show you guys how to do it. As you can see, it says like, please install some apps. So it's going to be around 4 of them here. You only have to do 2. So I know there's going to be 4, but that's just in case you don't like one of them. They have some other ones. Now make sure you read the instructions. This is the most important part. You can see Family Island says reach level 10, but then TikTok says down to run for 30 seconds. So just make sure you're completing whatever it says. Just press on the app and it will bring you to the App Store. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys later, but make sure you guys complete the instructions. I cannot stress this enough. There are people just download the apps and don't do anything on them. You have to read the instructions. So once you do that, guys, you should get the auto clicker on your device. They have single target and multi-target. So single target, it will just auto click on one part of the screen, and then multi-target, it's going to do multiple parts of the screen. So I've tried this on my iPhone. I'm not even using the newest iPhone. It works, but Android users already know how to get auto clickers, I think, so you guys shouldn't have to really even watch this video, but I'm assuming this works on Android if you guys do not know how to get an auto clicker on Android. But yeah, I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, bro.